Join me as I take on the challenge of making money with AI-powered YouTube Shorts, and I'll guide you through my step-by-step process. Making money on YouTube is nothing new, but with short-form videos taking over, the landscape has completely changed. Today, I'm showing you how to leverage AI tools to create YouTube Shorts that can actually generate some real income. Monetizing your content can be tough with YouTube's ever-changing algorithms and the flood of new creators. It's easy to feel lost in the noise. One major challenge is standing out and making content that truly connects with your audience. Another big hurdle is staying consistent. You need to keep producing quality content to keep your viewers engaged, which can be exhausting, especially for solo creators. And let's be honest, even with great content, it can take months to build a loyal audience. On top of that, short-form videos have added a new twist. With platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels dominating, creators now need to produce snappy, bite-sized content that grabs attention. But how do you actually make money from these short clips? That's where AI comes in. It's a game changer for monetizing short-form content. Using AI tools, you can create high-quality, engaging YouTube Shorts that actually bring in money. Here's how you can do it. First, you need a solid concept. AI tools like idea generators or script generators can help you brainstorm unique, audience-friendly concepts. Once you have your idea, use AI-powered video editors to create professional, eye-catching videos in less time. After creating your short, it's time to optimize it for visibility. AI-powered SEO tools can help you find the best keywords, optimize tags, and even craft engaging titles and descriptions that attract views. Now that your video is live, promoting it is key. AI-driven social media schedulers can help you post at the best times, engage with your audience, and boost your visibility on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Take Emma Chamberlain, for example. She used AI to boost her YouTube Shorts income by generating ideas with AI tools, editing with AI-powered software, and optimizing her videos with AI-driven SEO. She then promoted them using AI-powered social media schedulers, which led to a massive 300% increase in her earnings, all without sacrificing her creative vision. To wrap up, making money with AI YouTube Shorts is all about using the right tools to create content that's both engaging and optimized for success. By following the steps I've outlined, you can start earning more through YouTube Shorts. Thanks for tuning in. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite AI tool for creating YouTube Shorts? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Check out my next video on advanced AI tools for creators.